Today we're reviewing this portable mosquito repellent. So we have different types of mosquito repellers and zappers. Some are tiny, some are big, but they all rely on UV technology. So today we found one that actually uses a citronella type of a smell to keep them out. And as you know, citronella works and keeps mosquitoes away, but you can't walk around with an ignited flame. So let's take a look at this refillable, fan-controlled mosquito repeller. Alright guys, so if you are traveling to Thailand or it's in the summer and you go to the beach or the park, you know that mosquitoes can be a nasty thing. So this is a citronella candle. We all know this and love this. When you're outside at home, you can light this up and mosquitoes will kind of stay away. Now this is the same thing, but it's in a puck form with a fan. So what this does is put a citronella type of an insert cartridge inside here. There's a fan going around. You guys can see it, right? And what this does is it pushes this outwards, very similar to how the candle and the smoke would evaporate the wax outwards and then repel the mosquitoes away. The refills are made with plant-based formula. Each one will last about 240 hours or a span of 8 to 10 days. These are refillable. This is very inexpensive, just like the candles. You buy a bunch and pack. Charge the puck for 2 hours and you're going to get about 4 hours use, but attach it to a power bank and you can go all day long. First, then you turn this on, see, and then the fan spins and then pushes the scent out. And it's pretty quiet. And in terms of the little light that it gives off, let's go see what it looks like. So that's the little light that it gives off. Not a lot, but just enough. So if you press once, that's going to turn on the fan and start pushing the citronella outwards and start repelling the bugs right away. And this is going to start an 8-hour timer. So unless you turn it off manually, it's going to turn on and stay on for 8 hours. So remember, you get 10 days out of this one cartridge. If you just want to turn on the nightlight, you press twice and then that just keeps the nightlight on. If you press the button 3 times, the mosquito repeller and the nightlight mode on, and then if you press it 4 times, then you're just going to turn off the device. And yes, you can have this plugged in while operational. So if you do want the nightlight on while the fan is on and you don't want the battery to die out, you can definitely do that as well. So does it work? Of course it works. Just like the citronella works, it uses the same ingredients. So this is more of a portable version because you don't need to light a fire. You can have this in a hotel room. Like, so if you go on vacation, for example, of course you don't want to light a candle when you're sleeping. So you just basically put this on right next door. It's a 500 milliamp battery inside. So very interesting, cool device if you can't use candles.